Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a problem with the Audi. And I shouldn't have to say anything, because once I start it up, you guys will know. So under here, let's have a look. You can see right there. And right there, you can see the exhaust, well, I guess fumes. It's kind of cold, so it's nice that I can see it now, but it looks as if a clamp has come off. Hopefully that's an easy fix. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna go see if I can get this car up on a hoist. And don't forget to subscribe.